Derby Productions. And Attenborough Nature Reserves. And just for the community. I'm back people. I'm back at. Hey birdies. Have a blessed Thursday. And what are you doing? Yeah. I haven't been taking photos for the last couple of weeks, for a month or so. But I'm back now anyway. And see if I can take some shots of some birdies. Yeah, that time came on the finish. January, I think. Something like that. I took very photo of that robins and bluebells and things. And Owen. Hopefully today I'll see some more on some different birds. Nice morning and all. I'm ready for being wrapped up and all. In cold, but then it was like raining, didn't it? So I thought, oh, let me put my waterproofs on. So I might as well take my coat off. Very quiet and peaceful. All about. This one is like a little decking thing. And I'm sure this is new. That's why I didn't see it before. Nice stuff. Could spend Sunday all day. And they say Evan. Go from the side. Hiding in the bushes. Mine is assuming a bit. Yeah. No, I do like kids. If I say one, a better picture. Across the bridge. I think I'll go doing that way. Trying to get my cape muddy. I didn't take my coat off, getting warm man. It's down there. Beautiful birds out there. Anyway, let's go. Very peaceful. Need to abandon. I won't put this one. We've got what's it window open now. So just try some. Yeah. The windows open. You know, the outside in open. Maybe. No, it just mustn't live in it. That'll be sick. Yeah, you know that the tree down. There's one over there, you know, a bit more smaller one. Still wondering around, you know. Starting to spit a bit. I'll probably go out tomorrow, you know, and I'm thinking of going down to Collet Park. I'll go down there tomorrow. Trent. Yeah, I might do that tomorrow. I haven't been on there for time, so to be fair. Probably Monday. Don't know what I'm doing at the weekend. Monday. I don't know. Outside. But I don't really say what days I'm going out. I also go out. Yeah, of course, there's still some places I need to go finish off. Like, obviously, but I want to cover that. I think that'll be a nice shot. And obviously, finish. There's one more bit I need to go there in the countryside, and I'm thinking I might actually just walk around with the village itself as well. Yeah, I need to do that. Clifton Nature Reserves and Woods. That's on the other side of the Trent, and you see that all the woods. Assuming. Well, that's Clifton Woods and Nature Reserves. It is. I think we're tomorrow, wasn't it? I think that's January, I think, beginning of Feb. Because you can actually get from here, if you go from that Clifton Nature Reserve, you can actually get to the Boss Cliff. Or solar power, or what it's been called. And I don't know how far it will actually take me to get there. I call it all them say it'd be countryside, you know. I might as well just take a stroll one day. Like what I'm going to do in Clifton Woods. It's raining. I think I need to pick it. A little bit wet. Very funny down now, man. Let's see what's down here. I'm not even going on it, but you know what? I'll end up broken up. I might have to put my camera in my bag. Yeah, so good job I put my waterproofing. Whatever the weather, man will come out and take pictures. Okay. I bet raining, it's not going to kill you, is it? At least you wrap up. You know? And basically a blessing. You want a glove? Trust me. Everywhere I go, always see something. Hat, scarf, jumper. Always some piece of clothing. Everywhere I go. Swear down. I'm go down here, see what's down here. I think about down here this way. Yeah. Buat dah sini. Oh, banyak kat situ. Big poo-poo down here. Monster man. Very nice and nice shot, yeah. Look. One thing about one. Yeah, no, not really. No, man, that's not. No one didn't wipe the bottom. Naughty people. What can I get from you? What's down here? I don't think I'm going to eat any more food. Getting stopped now. Boss. Getting chipped through by the weeds. Twigs. Or what you want to call it. Quite excited about that. See where else I can go. It's still early anyway. Don't know what time it is anyway. What's the time? Yeah. 10 past 12. Early, man. Today I ain't even proper started. I think we've got enough mine like earlier. I almost got in here about 10 o'clock. Or something like that. 10 off 10. So yeah, only 2 hours, so that's alright. Yeah, what's down there? Okay, yeah, so yeah, I'll be starting to be out and about again, taking pictures and videos, you know. More about okay, Daniel. That's a book. No, I'm surprised that I haven't brought up and coming yet. I did one, kind of. Oh, you know, I know the end. Yeah, this is a nice little spot in it. Yeah, mum, like this. Yeah, mum. Just need a little chair. And then you're blessed. and this is why I love coming out. You got that nice shiny, you know, this one. Shiny, yeah, shiny, what I want to call it. I could just stay here all day, man. I'm a bit loose today, mate. Let's go on that way, little. Gimana bro? Now she get that. Hello birdie, birdie. Yeah, I'll go on the other side. And this is the other side of it. So get on down this way. That's all I'm going to go this way. Also, I'll say that's the end of my journey. Goodbye train. So yeah, I'll see you guys again soon. Dark Buddha Productions signing out. Ciao. Peace. Time to wait for new one.